Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can remove games from Epic Games library. So let's start. First of all, let's open the Epic Games launcher. After you open the launcher, you will come to the store. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then after, when you go to the library, you can see all the games that you have added to it. Now if you have been using Epic Games for some time, then you might know that the games that you have once added in your library will stay here forever. Epic Games platform has not yet added the option to remove individual games from your library. Even when you click on the three dots and go to options, there is no option to remove the game. So this means that you cannot remove a particular game from the library. However, you can hide the library as a whole. In order to hide the library, click on the initial of your name on the top right side. Then after, go to settings. Inside the settings, you will find this hide game library option. Click on it. Then after, a notification like this will pop up. Make sure to read all the information that is written on it. It says that once game library is disabled, you will not be able to interact with your installed games. So if you are happy with it, simply click on OK. You can see that there is no option of your library. Now if you want to bring back the library option, simply go to settings and disable the hide game library option. As you do that, the library section will come back once again. That's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.